This season, Lily wanted to surprise her mother with something special, a wall hanging made entirely by herself. She gathered her material, a few sticks from the yard, jute rope, crochets, yarn, fairy lights, teeny piece of lace, a handful of pine cones, and a few golden beads she had saved from an old dress. She worked quietly by the window where the snow fell softly outside. The smell of glue, the touch of rope, the rustic of fabric, it was so peaceful. Every kind she tied, every star she glued, she whispered a wish for the family to stay happy, a wish for the mother to smile, a wish of Christmas to always feel like home. As she worked, she realized something crafting was not just about creating things, it was about creating moments. In a small snow covered village far away from the noise of the busy world, there was a warm little house with flickering lights and cinnamon scent in the air. A cozy fireplace. This was the home of Grandma Elsie, a kind, gentle woman known for creating the cutest handmade Christmas decoration anyone had ever seen. Every year, children and families from all around the village visited home during the Christmas season, not to buy her decoration but to see them, because each decoration had a special story, a little bit of love, strained, glued, painted, and tied into it. On a wooden table near the window, three pine cones, one small, one medium, one large, decorated with teeny screw button eyes and the softest wool heads. They were known in the village as the Pinescones family. Grandma Elsie had made them many years ago when her granddaughter Lily was just a toddler. Lily had brought home pine cones from the forest, calling them Papa, Mama, and Baby. Elsie smiled at its simple heads and teeny painted smiles, and just like magic, these pine cones seemed to come alive. Children would often say that could hear the pine cone family whisper stories to each other on quiet winter nights. Not real whisper, but warm, happy feelings, the kind that come when you know you are loved. Hanging up above the fireplace was a star made of jute twins and tied with small red ribbons. This was not an expensive star, not shiny or not glittering, but it was beautiful, simple, natural, crafted with handful of care. The star reminded everyone that Christmas is not about expensive things but about togetherness, warmth, and kindness. Grandma Elsie always said, even the simplest thing can shine the bright if they are made with love. Next to the star sat a small felt bird, teeny wings, tiny feet, rosy cheeks, and big curly eyes. This bird was named Mimi. Long ago, when Elsie was younger, she felt lonely one winter, so she switched Mimi the word from felt a stuffed it with cotton to bring herself comfort. Soon Mimi became her little companion, a symbol of hope, a reminder that in every cold winter warmth always returns. Every child who visited loved Mimi. They would gently pop its nose and giggle, and somehow Mimi always made their heart feel lighter. On the shelf were teeny reindeers made from cinnamon sticks with googly eyes and teeny ribbon scarves. Whenever someone walked into the room, The warm smell of cinnamon filled the air, reminding everyone of cookies, hot cocoa, and cozy evening. These reindeers were made every year with the village children. They would sit around a large table, sharing stories, laughter, and a little droplet of glue stuck on their fingertips. It was not just crafting, it was togetherness, memories, and joy. Once evening, as snowflakes gently danced outside the window, Lily, now grown up, asked, Grandma, why do you keep all these decorations every year? Why not buy new? Grandma Elsie smiled warmly and replied, Because these decorations are not just decoration, my dear. They are memories. They are piece of love. They are remind us that Christmas is not about kindness, about giving, about making someone feel special, even with the smallest, simplest things. Lily nodded, feeling her heart glow like the star of the fireplace. So remember this Christmas, you don't need to the biggest tree, you don't need the brightest light, you don't need the fanciest ornament. What you do need love, warmth, a little creativity and someone to share it with. Because the cutest Christmas decorations are not the ones you buy but the ones you make together with laughter, stories and heart full of joy. May this Christmas bring your peace, love, and handmade happiness. So, guys, if you like the video, please must subscribe my channel.